Good day. Our topic for today is the introduction of the rational expression. So what is rational expression? It is defined as any expression which can be denoted by p of x all over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials and q of x should not be equal to 0. So sa madaling salita, para lang din itong fraction na merong numerator at denominator. Si p of x as your numerator, q of x as your denominator. Dapat daw po si p of x and q of x are polynomials. At kailangan si q of x, which is the denominator, should not be equal to 0. Why? Let's have an example. Example number 1. 2 all over 0. The denominator is 0. In fraction, if the denominator is 0, the answer is undefined. Number 2, 6 all over 0. The denominator is 0. The answer is still undefined. Number 3, 12 all over 1 minus 1. Let us first simplify the denominator. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have now 12 all over 0. The denominator is 0, then the answer is now undefined. That is why q of x should not be equal to 0. Now, let us identify if the following expressions are rational expression. Example number 1. I have 4x plus 1 all over 2x plus 1. The conditions are the numerator and the denominator should be a polynomial. On this example, those conditions are met. The second condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Since our denominator here is not 0, therefore, this is a rational expression. Example number 2, I have 5x all over 3. The numerator and the denominator should be a polynomial. The first condition is met. The second condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Since our denominator here is not equal to 0, therefore, this example is a rational expression. Another example, I have 5x raised to negative 2 all over 3x. Now, the numerator and the denominator should be a polynomial. On this example, the denominator is the only part of the fraction that is a polynomial. Since numerator is not a polynomial because the exponent is in negative. The exponent is negative, therefore, the numerator is not a polynomial. The first condition is not already met. Therefore, this example is not a rational expression. Example number 2, I have 11x all over x minus x. The numerator and the denominator should be polynomial. The numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Therefore, the first condition is met. The second condition, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Since our denominator is x minus x, same variable, same exponent, therefore, we can combine it. Now, our operation is subtraction, therefore, we need to subtract x minus x. X minus x is equal to 0. Now, we already have 11x all over 0. And our denominator here is 0, therefore, this example is not a rational expression.